Do you have your email connected in HubSpot, but you're worried that with the logging feature in HubSpot that personal messages, whether it's to your spouse or to another employee in the company, are going to get logged and other people will be able to see that message? In this video, I want to show you how you can use the never log feature in HubSpot to prevent that from happening and kind of ensure that if you forget to uncheck log email, that certain people will never have their emails logged in HubSpot. So what this feature does, and by the way, we'll just jump over to Gmail in this case so you can see how this works. But when you have the sales extension connected and your email account connected, there's going to be times where you send an email to somebody. So if I type in right here, if I say I'm going to send an email to Natalie at Boolean, this is my wife, and I can say, I love you. And the message is personal stuff I don't want anyone else to see. So by default, this type of message gets logged in HubSpot. So on any one-off basis, I can always choose to unlog an email. But what if I forget to do that? There are certain people that it's probably just never relevant, or there's no reason that I would ever want to have their emails show up. So this never log feature allows you to say, anytime I send an email to Natalie at Boolean Review or any other list of names that I want to put in here, I don't want you to ever log this. So I want to show you how to do that. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris. I'm the owner of Boolean Automation, where we free you up to do what you love. We work specifically with painting companies to help them get the most out of their software apps and get everything connected, increase reporting, and save them time. And in this video, we are going to be talking about getting the never log list set up correctly in your account. So if that's of interest, let's get into that right now. So the question is, how do I get this working or like set up so that anytime I send an email, it puts it on the never log list? So going back over to here, all you need to do is you start adding in domains or names of specific emails. So I could do like Natalie at booleanreview.com, but I could also say like, I don't want to add anyone that has an email. Well, let's say my other alias is Sky Media. So I could say if there is any email that comes from the Sky Media, like John at Sky Media or any of those, all of them would not be logged. So if I save that, you'll see that it's saying any domain at sky.media and also Natalie at Boolean Review. So I can continue to add as many of these as I want, but now I'll show you what happens is that when I go back, because this is on my never log list now, if I go back over here, so we're going to go ahead and refresh the page here because I just saved this, so it's not showing up yet. But now you can see that when I try to click log, now you can see that, again, if we go through this example, so if I do Steve at booleanreview.com, that's fine. It's going to log that for me. But if I type in Natalie at Boolean Review, you'll see that it's only logging it for Steve, but it's not logging it for Natalie. So if I were to just have Natalie here, click right here, you can see this email will not log because one of your recipients is on the never log list. So it's going to automatically take care of that for you. And then the other thing I was saying about the domain is that if I said Chris at sky.media or John at sky.media, anyone at the sky.media domain will never get an email because, and you'll see right here, because the recipient is on the never log list. So that is how the never log list works. Hopefully that was helpful in understanding that feature, but super helpful to just, I would say, add your personal family members, whatever it is, and probably the domain of your business. Because in my opinion, intercompany communication does not need to be logged into your CRM, but conversations with clients do. So let me know if you have any other questions. If this was helpful, please like the video, and we'll see you in the next video as we continue to set up the HubSpot account to help you get the most out of it.